1 pound 20 minutes and you've got this pepper lunch inspired rice, sizzling beef, crispy rice bits, and that legendary pepper kick that keeps people coming back for more. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google pepper rice space statue to find me. Let's start by whisking together our flavor-packed sauce. We're combining 2 tablespoons of grated apple, 2 tablespoons of Japanese soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of grated onion, half tablespoon of ketchup, 1 grated garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of honey, half teaspoon of Asian chicken bouillon powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder. Whisk this until it's beautifully smooth. As always, all ingredients and exact measurements for this recipe can be found in the description box below. Now here's where I've improved on the original pepper lunch concept. We're going to use half of this sauce to marinate 200 grams of thinly sliced beef for 10 minutes. Make sure every piece gets well coated. The original pepper rice doesn't marinate the meat, but the marinade penetrates these thin slices so quickly, infusing them with layers of flavor that develop beautifully during cooking. Those grated apple and onion aren't just for sweetness, they contain natural enzymes that help tenderize the meat, and remember, save the other half of the sauce, we'll need it later. Time to build our masterpiece. Pack 330 grams of cooked rice into a bowl and turn it out directly in the center of your large frying pan. And yes, leftover rice works perfectly here. I like to press it so it spreads out a bit, making sure to leave space around the edge for the meat to cook. Now, this is your moment to make it truly pepper rice, so don't hold back. Generously grind fresh black pepper over the rice. This is where the dish gets its name and its soul. Top your peppered rice with 50 grams of well-drained corn kernels, about 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions, and a beautiful pot of batter right on top. Now, arrange your marinated beef around the rice, creating a perfect ring that will cook evenly. Place your pan on the stove and start heating on medium. When you start to hear gentle sizzling, cover it with a lid and set a timer for exactly 5 minutes. By the way, if you love this recipe, I think you also love my gyudon recipe too. Check the description for more related recipes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, so time to remove that lid and pour the remaining sauce over the rice. This is where all the patience pays off. Season with just a pinch of salt, then increase the heat to medium-high and start mixing everything together. The moment you pour in the sauce, you might think, wait, this seems too watery. Is my rice about to turn into mush? Take a deep breath. We're about to transform this into something amazing. Listen for the perfect sizzle. It should be gentle and consistent, not aggressive. Now, creating the crispy caramelized bottom layer, what we call okoge in Japanese, is crucial for adding depth and umami. So make sure you don't mix it continuously. Letting it sit still occasionally allows underneath to get all crispy and flavorful. Once the moisture has evaporated and you can smell the incredible toasty aroma, remove it from the heat. Sprinkle dried parsley over the top for the perfectly purple color and freshness, and add another 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions. The dish is ready to serve directly from the pan. This is part of pepper rice's incredible charm, the communal, sizzling presentation that brings everyone together around the table. And there you have it, your own sizzling beef pepper rice that captures all the excitement of pepper lunch without battling traffic on a Tuesday night. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now. And if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my beef playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.